Imagine waking up to an email that says, "You just made $500 while you were sleeping." Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that thousands of people are making money online through blogging? And you can too. Welcome to Investosphere. In today's video, I'll take you step by step through the process of starting a blog and turning it into a profitable business. Even if you have zero experience, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to launch and grow your own money-making blog. Let's get started. Section 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The first and most important step in starting a blog is choosing the right niche. A niche is simply the topic of your blog, but not just any topic. Your niche should be something you love, something people are searching for, and most importantly, something that can make money. Profitable blogging niches: personal finance and investing, health and fitness, technology and AI, travel and lifestyle, food and recipes, self-improvement and productivity. Pro tip: the best niches are evergreen, meaning people will always search for them year after year. Which niche are you passionate about? Drop it in the comments below. Section 2. Setting up your blog. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Steps to set up a blog. Choose a blogging platform. WordPress.org, best for full control. Pick a domain name. Use sites like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Get web hosting, Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger, affordable and reliable. Install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click installation. Pick a theme and customize your blog. Action step: set up your blog today. Even if it's not perfect, just start. What's your dream blog name? Let me know. Section 3. Creating high-quality content. Content is king. If you want your blog to make money, your content must be valuable, engaging, and well-optimized for search engines, SEO. What makes a blog post great? Catchy headline, use numbers and power words, 10 proven ways to save money. Engaging introduction, hook your reader. Easy-to-read format, short paragraphs, bullet points, images. SEO optimization, use Google-friendly keywords. Strong call to action, CTA, encourage comments, shares, signups. Pro tip: aim to publish at least 1 to 2 posts per week to keep your blog active. What's a blog post idea you'd love to write about? Comment below. Section 4. Getting traffic to your blog. Even the best blog won't make money if no one reads it. Let's talk about how to get traffic to your blog. Top ways to drive traffic: SEO, search engine optimization. Rank on Google with optimized content. Pinterest marketing, great for niches like DIY, food, and fashion. Social media promotion: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Email list building, capture emails and send blog updates. Guest blogging, write for big blogs to get exposure. Pro tip: use free tools like Ubersuggest and Google Keyword Planner to find the best keywords. Which traffic method will you try first? Section 5. Monetizing your blog. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: how to make money from your blog. Top 5 ways to make money blogging. Ad revenue. Sign up for Google AdSense. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. Selling digital products, ebooks, online courses, printables. Sponsored posts. Get paid to promote brands. Membership sites. Offer exclusive content for paying subscribers. Pro tip: bloggers can earn anywhere from $500 to $50,000 per month with the right strategy. Which monetization method excites you the most? Section 6. Scaling your blog for long-term success. Blogging isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you stay consistent, it can become a full-time income. How to scale your blog. Stay consistent with content creation. Invest in SEO and email marketing. Network with other bloggers and influencers. Outsource tasks. Hire writers, virtual assistants, designers. Keep learning and adapting to new trends. Where do you see your blog in 1 year? And that's it. You now have everything you need to start a blog and turn it into a money-making machine. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. The key is to start today and stay consistent. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Investosphere for more online business tips. Comment below which step you're going to take first. See you in the next video. Let's build your blogging empire.